In this video, we're going to select a single column from a data frame, which will return a series. So let's go ahead and look at our bikes data frame again. Look at the first 3 rows. Now this is a data frame, and that's what will be returned when you call the read CSV function. Now you might be wondering, well, how am I going to get a series? Well, the way to do that from a data frame is just to simply select a single column. So we'll look over here and we'll use the square brackets attached to the data frame. So directly to the right of the data frame, we're going to place these square brackets, and inside of here, place the name of the column. In this case, they're all strings. So let's say we want to look at the trip duration column like this. This will select that column as a series. So notice this is a much different, it looks like a much different element, and it is not styled like a data frame. This is what is known as a series. I will assign it to some variable s like this. So when I assign it, there will be no output. I can add another line in my cell and say it also has the head and tail methods, just like data frames, and we can print out the first 5 rows. So that's how you select a series, and we can verify that this is in fact a series with the type function. Let's go ahead and do that now, and you can see that indeed it is a series. All right, so that's how you select a single column from a data frame, which will end up being a series.